So you got this drawing set and don't know what to do with half of these supplies. Let's see how they're supposed to be used. Mine are already used, so some of them probably don't look the same as yours. The woodless graphite pencil. It's heavier and darker than a normal graphite pencil. The whole thing is graphite, there's no wooden case like with normal graphite pencils or colored pencils. I use it for the darkest details for shading. Try to avoid dropping it, cause I already broke mine. Charcoal stick is a stick of charcoal. It's not for very precise details, but works with larger or less detailed sketching and drawing. A large charcoal stick. The larger charcoal stick is great for filling in or shading larger areas faster. Paper stump is a stick of rolled paper, and you can use it to blend areas of your painting to make softer gradients and shading. Some people use their finger or a piece of paper towel instead, but a paper stump can be more precise and less messy, and you don't get oils from your hand onto the artwork. Sandpaper block. This was the one that stumped me the most when I got the Crelando charcoal set from Lidl. But it's turned out to be really handy for cleaning the paper stump. You can't really sharpen the paper stump in a normal pencil sharpener, but rubbing it on the sandpaper block works. And when one sandpaper piece gets too flat, you can remove it and you have a new one underneath. You can also use it for sharpening the charcoal sticks. Kneaded eraser. It's an eraser you can mold into any shape you need, so you can make thin highlights with this on a graphite drawing. It doesn't leave eraser dust like a normal eraser, and when it gets dirty, you just knead it within itself to clean it. Just know that if you use it with charcoal, it will get really dirty really fast, and kneading is not going to save it anymore. Leather chamois. Well, this is what I use as an eraser for charcoal instead. It did not come with the Crelando charcoal set as most of those other supplies, by the way, but I was actually obligated to buy this for an outdoor art class I took some years ago. You can wash the chamois when it gets too dirty to use. Mine isn't quite the same texture after washing, but it still works. So what if you want to paint over your sketch? Watch this video to see how to prevent the sketch from smudging your paints. Watch this video to see how to prevent the